Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Where is ASICS Melbourne Flagship located? ASICS Melbourne Flagship is located at Shop TO2, 250 Elizabeth Street, Melbourne, Victoria. ASICS is at the forefront of the world performance sports market as undisputedly the leading running shoe brand for enthusiasts and professional athletes alike. Whether at professional sporting events, the Olympics, or an everyday run around a park, ASICS is the runner's choice, providing comfort, support, and a superior ride. ASICS Sport Style offers a stylish selection of shoes, sneakers, apparel, and accessories perfect for everyday casual wear. Drawing inspiration from ASICS' rich performance sport heritage, this athleisure range is designed for comfort whether you're running errands, hitting the gym for a light workout, or just going about your daily routine. The streetwear-inspired designs incorporate ASICS technology, ensuring versatile comfort and support throughout your day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy enhanced performance and greater comfort in achieving your goals with the right shoes and gear. Take advantage of the ASICS clearance range featuring iconic sneakers, athleisure, and versatile everyday essentials. Enjoy great discounts on men's shoes, women's shoes, and kids' sneakers. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.